Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make quesabirria tacos. First, gather your ingredients, including about 3 pounds of chuck roast, dried guajillo and ancho chilies, and corn tortillas. Next, prepare the rich birria consommé by simmering the beef with the rehydrated chilies and aromatic spices. Finally, shred the tender, cooked beef into small pieces, ready for your delicious taco filling. To begin cooking, sear your beef in a large pot until it's beautifully browned on all sides, locking in those savory flavors. Then, add your rehydrated chilies, onions, garlic, and a blend of spices, covering it all with water or broth. Let this simmer for at least 3 to 4 hours until the beef is incredibly tender. Afterward, remove the beef and strain the broth to create your rich consommé. Now for assembly. Dip each corn tortilla into the warm, flavorful birria consommé, ensuring it's fully coated. Place the dipped tortilla on a hot griddle or comal. Quickly add a generous amount of shredded birria beef and a sprinkle of oaxaca or Monterey Jack cheese to 1/2 of the tortilla. Fold the tortilla over and cook until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown and slightly crispy on both sides. To serve your amazing quesabirria tacos, garnish them generously with freshly chopped cilantro and finely diced white onions. Don't forget to provide a small bowl of the warm, savory consommé on the side for dipping. It truly elevates the experience. These tacos are perfect for sharing with friends and family, offering a burst of authentic flavor in every bite. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.